That black yo magic, 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 magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic.
Princess.
You don't know, bad man. Yeah. He's body baby, oh. He's body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Sugar Glow Princess, and I'm back at it again with another video. So today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make your hairline look natural, how to blend it into your scalp without any glue. You guys know I don't use glue. I do not like using glue, so this video will be perfect for beginners if you're just starting off with wigs or you don't really know what to do. My technique is literally the easiest. But yeah, so the wig that I'll be reviewing today is from MyFirstWig.com. This company is literally perfect for beginners. They have the perfect wigs. Their company is actually dedicated to beginners. All their wigs come already pre-plucked, and recently they just added this new feature with adjustable elastic band on the lace. So if you don't glue your wigs on, it can stick to your head even better. And I'm going to show you guys all that today. So let's get into this. When you receive your wig, it will come in this box. This box is so pretty. So in a Christmas spirit, even though Christmas is over. So inside your box you will find these 3 little conditioner samples: smooth, moist, and soft. So this is conditioner for wigs, so you can use this on your wigs. And it also comes with a baby hair toothbrush. Oh my god, I've been wanting to get one of these for the longest in a beauty supply store, but I always forget. So yeah, I got me an edge control toothbrush. They always got some good stuff in their boxes. Also inside the box you will find this little pouch right here. I'm loving this pink theme they got going on. So inside this little pouch you will find a comb and some hair clips. You'll also find this little instruction paper right here, which you could do with everything that comes inside the box. Get yourself prepared to wear the wig right here. Like literally everything they do is so helpful to like beginners. If you're just starting out and you're literally clueless, they have a whole guide for you. Also inside the box you will find a wig cap, little flowery what is this, gel sticky thingy. Also have this little gift card, coupon card, Barbie pants in here, and an extra elastic band. Really everything you will find in this box will be useful. So the wig that I'll be trying on today is called ALEXIS. It's their Malaysian human hair straight lace front wig. The color is like a natural black. The length is 20 inch. The texture is silky. The lace color is light brown. The cap construction is a 6-inch deep part line glueless cap. Density is 100%. So this is what the wig looks like. Like I said, the texture is straight and it already comes pre-plucked. I want you guys to see this lace front because they be doing an amazing job with pre-plucking their stuff. It be looking so bomb and natural. You guys will see once I put it on, you're gonna be like, sis, what happened to your lace? I don't know. But yeah, this hair is really soft. Quality is amazing. All their wigs are amazing, especially their curly hair, sis. And their bob. And this is what the inside looks like. It comes with 3 combs, 2 right here, 1 on the bottom, an adjustable strap at the bottom, and these extra adjustable straps that I was telling you guys about. This is actually their new feature. You could clip it like this, put it as tight as you want to, and it's supposed to like help with holding your wig down if you don't want to glue it or anything. So I'm excited to be trying that out today and see if it actually helps. As you guys know, I don't glue on my wig, so I can really use the extra elastic band. But yeah, so this is the wig. I'm about to go ahead and cut the lace off and try her on. CJ knows. So guys, this is what the wig looks like on, and let me just say that the extra elastic band actually really makes a difference. This wig is literally so tight on my head. Not tight that it's giving me a headache, but it's like tight enough that if I pull it like this, it's not coming off. Usually I don't glue in my wig, so if I do like this, the wig will be moving. This is literally what I've been needing. It's so helpful. You guys don't understand how high I am, and it's making my lace look even flatter. Like it looks so flat and natural. Oh my gosh, I'm excited about this. Okay, so moving on to the good part, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how you can make your hairline look natural and seamless without using glue. Especially if you're a beginner, it's literally the easiest. You're gonna be like, sis, this it? Yes, that's it. CJ knows. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me showing you guys how I slay my wig, how I make it look natural without no glue. As you guys can see, it looks pretty bomb. I should have put some foundation on the lace so it could like literally blend in with my scalp, but I was in a rush and I forgot. But it is what it is. Also really loved the flower away little sticky thingy. Oh my god, that thing smells so good and it works amazing. Like, look at my hair, no flyaways. This thing is flat and it doesn't feel sticky. As far as this wig, is so soft. I love it. I love everything about it. I love this whole look. It came out really good. Once again, my first wig never disappoint me. The elastic band, you guys, when I tell you guys my wig is so secure right now, I could literally go to a DA appointment and it would not come off, honey. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, check out MyFirstWig.com. I will have their link down below and also the link to this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.